Ayo, awan sa man. Nay, kwaon daw mamaguran. O, karon na. Dahil Chelsea, kuha ang kaguran. Ikaw man tong kamagawangan ni Celia dong, no? O, nay. Uy, dako naman di ay. Mas mga graduha. Pag walang graduate high school, nay, mag-college ka raw, abre. Uy, maadyo, kina naman di college si Celia. Sa may kuha ko ni mo. Kaguran, lagi, nay.
Asa na ba siya?
Guys, oh my gosh, so sorry I'm late. Okay, but I'm here. Let's
8 AM
go.
ang call time, te. 30 minutes ka na namin inaantay.
Tagal.
Ayaw kasi gumana ng blower sa room.
Saka, te, ba't ka naka-full glam? Is-snorkeling nga ang first ganap this morning. Kanina pa
Ayan, let me see.
Ate, ang haba na ng pila.
Kuya, pwedeng
ROI
pa-portrait
talaga ang tour
naman.
package,
Oo.
te.
Ayan, ganyan,
Okay na
ganyan.
to.
Oh my God, you guys are from Thailand?
Yes, we are.
You like Thai food?
Ow.
Right hand to pini, mo siyam ro pu siyam tali
Hala,
ayu sik
pinagsasabi ni
sampi kun
Vadim.
Thai.
Kakaiyak.
Ha,
Laro,
siyang
ate, laro.
runo ha. De, parang may potential to si Kuya, oh.
Ha?
Sparkling yung
Ay, ate, hindi ka magiging tirador ng bangkero. Ate, meron kang minifan?
Ay, meron.
Ate, di ba meron kang power bank? Param naman.
Ha?
Power bank, meron.
Meron.
Ay, very
Abot
tita
nga
ka
ba
dyan,
ng
te.
truthfully?
Ate, may tissue ka dyan. Sinusumpong ako ng allergy ko.
Ay,
eh.
sa
temperature yan, babe.
Ito, oh. Kuha ka na lang.
Thanks, te. Ay, ang bango.
Bango, no? It's the Kleenex Breathe Easy with eucalyptus oil and menthol. Rub mo lang or crumple the tissue to release its comforting scent.
Thank you, te. Akin na lang
O
muna.
siya, sige sa'yo na yan. Naku, perfect yan dyan sa allergic rhinitis mo saka sa mga flu and colds. Perfect yan. Ay, wait lang. Punasan ko lang yung pawis na abs ni Kuya. Kuya Eman!
Order tayo for the table, tapos share-share na lang.
Okay.
Start tayo sa sabaw.
Etong bulalo.
Guys, I don't eat beef pala ha.
Oo nga. O, ito shrimp sinigang.
Yun.
Go.
I'm allergic to shrimp din.
Sera naman ito ni Bading. Tinola.
Not a fan.
Alam mo, te, mag-separate order ka na lang sa...
Or separate table.
Or separate tour bukas. Kahapon pa kami nagigigil sa'yo, te, ha?
Hello? Hello, John? Hello? Kumusta man?
Yes, just a moment. Can you keep it down, please? I'm trying to talk to my sister. Yes, the flooding. Absolutely horrible. Have you seen the news lately? Darling, devastating is an understatement. But both you and I can't relate. Apat na sakay ng isang pampasaherong bus patay. Ito'y matapos sumalpok. No, we're just gonna look around lang naman. Nothing in particular.
Anak, sama ka muna kay mama mo. May titingnan lang ako saglit.
Oh my God, anak, look at this. Oh, look at this Heim furniture. I think bagay siya sa room mo. Look at the color. Let's get it. Let's not look for something na medyo malaki, ano. Oh, this one. It's the Posy water-saving toilet. Sounds good, ano. Let's get that.
Nak, okay daw tong Hills na brand dito, nak.
Wow, they're so nice, no? And they're so affordable pa, anak. Let's buy some bulbs for your room. Don't worry about it. Your dad is gonna pay for it naman, eh.
Nak, okay daw tong non-slip tiles ng Arte Ceramic eh. Ito na.
But in fairness, ha, lots of options to choose from and also very good quality. Anak, where is your dad?
Thank you for that presentation,
Yes, thank
Mr.
you,
De La Cruz, although I wish I could say I enjoyed that presentation as much as you did. Now, can we go back to slide 15 with the graph?
Ayan na, pre. Lagot na tayo.
That one.
Boys, huwag na kayo.
sumagot kayo ah.
I noticed the data are skewed.
Ayan na nga.
Can you tell me more about the respondents?
Ma'am, bale, the correspondents po are random from different locations.
Random.
Baka patay tayo dyan.
Since the proposed project is targeted towards a certain market segment, don't you think the sample population should also be, I don't know, targeted?
Ma'am, naisip po kasi namin the demographics
No.
is...
That wasn't a question.
Uy, sumagot naman kasi kayo. Guys, natataiyak ako.
Does your group members have anything to say?
Uy, Jason. Uy, go.
Ma'am, ako po yung gumawa ng RRL.
Yes, Mr. Gonzalez, I did check on your RRLs, and it looks to me that you've just copied and pasted whatever you can find from that hideous website. No, the one with Wikipedia.
Palpak ka talaga, pre.
I'm getting the impression that before today, none of you have a clear understanding of the paper.
Wala na, guys. Hindi na tayo gagraduate. Bakla ang OA mo.
Huwag nga kasi kayo.
Does the members of the panel have any further questions?
No, none for me. Good job, guys.
None for me as well.
Thank you. That's all.
Thank you,
Okay, ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank
Award.
you.
Hello? Nen? Oh. Hello, Day. Kabati ka na, ho? Oh. Day, oh. Kabati man ko ba nga si nung nursing daw na damo ko sa hospital, Day. Kumusta man? Oy.
Loudspeaker yar.
Na, mo pa problema na ho, Day. Ning tiguang na ta maglisod nagbangon ni kabuntag. Ay, na, maoga jod na.
Ma'am!
Pero na rin, nasuko ako magwang. Mabalihin ko, Day. Malain ta ba? Si anak ba rin ang niludang si Daphne? Kana?
Ay girl, wait, bili pala ako mangga. Ate, magkano dito sa mangga?
For you, madam, 300 per kilo.
Ang mahal. Eh ate, dito sa mga medyo hindi na kaaya-ayang tingnan.
150 na lang yung mga yan.
Perfect.
Girl, wag yan. Parang lamog-lamog na, oh.
Alam mo, ikaw ang paka-arte mo. Balat lang yan. Sige nga ate, 2 kilo po.
Siguripot naman. Girl, saan na tayo next?
Sa church na tayo, girl.
Perfect. Ito na tricycle. Sakay na
Saan
tayo.
kayo, ma'am?
Kuya, hindi po, thank you.
Ano
Ano tayo
siya?
sumakay? Sayang yung 20. Lakarin na lang natin. Ilang kanto lang yun, oh.
Eh, yung init-init.
Arte nito.
A few moments later.
Girl, ano na?
Oo, girl, 4 na kanto na lang. Malapit na tayo. Ayan na, oh.
Malapit na ako mahimatay. O, di ba? Ang ganda. O.
Tsaka, girl, saka ang mahal. May ganyan sa Shein eh. Tignan mo, oh.
Tingin.
Ayan, oh, send ko sa'yo yung link. Pero ito siya, oh, di ba ganyan na ganyan? Tapos ang mura.
O, sige, dyan ako.
Dito ka na lang, check out mo.
A few days later.
Ikot ka nga.
Ayan, what do you think? Parang kasi ang pangit nung Huy, ba't ka natatawa?
Girl, ang pangit nga.
Ayan, sinasabi ko na nga, baka kasalanan mo to, sayang lang pera ko.
Oo, Nazar, upo ka nga.
Sikuripot kasi.
Sorry na. Ganto. Libre na lang kita.
Huwag ka na kasi
Lunch.
tumawa.
Order tayo.
Libre, tas titipirin mo na naman
Of
ako.
course. Pero girl, hindi ako mapapahiya dito sa GrabFood Saver Meals. Starting at 99 pesos only. Mga GrabFood favorites mo, curated na for you, and sa wallet mo.
Sino kausap mo, girl?
A few moments later.
In fairness, thank you sa libre, girl, ha? Masarap. Saka pasok sa budget, no? Tsaka
Girl,
check ko
tubig.
din siya. O, ayan. Kakatipid. Hindi nag-order ng drink. Deserve.
Cassie, I am so proud of you. You've been nothing but a sweetheart in high school, and now that you're leaving for college, I shall give you a gift that you so richly deserve.
Hala, Ninang. Nakakahiya. OMG, ano kaya to? Bagong phone, luxury bag, sasak.
Lana, this should aid you in your quest for knowledge.
Thank you, Ninang.
Oh, please, Calliope, enough with your boring gifts. Nerissa? Sister? Sister. Cassie, dear, I'm also here to bestow you a gift. You simply cannot go to college looking so plain like my sister here. Here is a gift certificate from my favorite salon. Go get some eyelash extensions.
Ay, ang bongga, Ninang. Bet ko to. Thanks.
Dearest, I actually have a second gift for you. To keep you hydrated during classes.
Ay, hala, Ninang. Bet din to.
I too have another gift for you, dearest. Fresh OOTD so you can
Slay every day.
Come through, Ninang. Patingin.
Nerissa, I think you fail to understand the importance of Cassie going to college. It is to learn. Beauty fades, dear sister. Wisdom doesn't.
Hey, the shade. Ano, Ninang? Papakabog?
I shall give you my final gift. A very special gift. Something that will make your college journey easier. An Asus VivoBook 16. It is bigger and better with Asus, with its 16-inch large display and long-lasting 70-watt-hour battery life. This also boasts the Asus antibacterial guard technology that kills 99% of bacteria from the laptop's surface. I shall also give you... Let me finish, sister. This also comes with a free lifetime license access to Microsoft Office Home and Student.
Oh, let me guess. You got it through home credit.
Why, yes. 0 interest for up to 18 months, so I took it.
That's actually not bad.
It's also available on ASUS stores and even on Lazada and Shopee, with a starting price of only 37,995 pesos.
Ninang, thank you very much. You know that I love chicken nugget. Laptop pala. Ninang, na-appreciate ko talaga yung thought and effort mo dito. This is the best gift.
I wouldn't be so sure.
Cassie, I shall give you your boyfriend. A handsome 6-foot-tall varsity player who also plays the guitar and is taking up mechanical engineering. You'll have one of those, don't you, Cassie? Ninang, no. I have long-term goals na gusto ko ma-achieve as the main character sa plot ko na to. And I can't afford to have any distractions. Kaya no. Hindi ko kailangan na matangkad at poging varsity player na nagigitarang mechanical engineering. Pero pwede patingin. Very well. Then instead of a gift, I shall leave you with a curse. Cassie, you do notice the liar is not paid. The Cassie is paid. Hindi ka muna papasok sa school. I don't believe her, darling. She's just a fan of Maleficent. She does not have that kind of power.